Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Make.com automation for affiliate coupon alerts, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Make.com website and log in to your account. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create a New Scenario button. Select the first module by clicking the Add button. Search for the application you want to integrate, such as RSS or an email service. Choose the appropriate trigger for your automation process. Configure the trigger settings as needed to receive coupon alerts. Next, add another module by clicking the Add button again. Search for the action app that will process your alerts, like a messaging platform or a spreadsheet. Select the action you want to perform with the coupon alerts. Connect the modules by dragging a line from the trigger to the action. Adjust the settings for the action module to specify how to handle the data. Test your scenario by clicking the Run Once button to ensure everything works as intended. If the test is successful, click the Activate button to enable the automation. Monitor the automation for a while to ensure it captures all relevant coupon alerts. Make adjustments as needed based on your observations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.